Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here at the big field and I'm still on this, y'all. The Sky Viper Vector. And I had a suspicion that this little plane was made by XK because it has a lot of the flight characteristics and programming that some of the other XK models have that were made for this company called Vivor. And so, to make a long story short, I had that hunch that it was made by XK and it might be on the same protocol. And so I tried it, and sure enough, this is on an XK protocol. And so it can be flown with the Boxer. So I don't even want to fly it with the stock transmitter anymore. I want to fly it with the Boxer. So I brought it out here to the larger field and we're going to check this little guy out. The stock transmitter is pretty minimalistic anyhow. It didn't really have anything but a stunt button and a power on and off switch, well, a button, and that's it. It didn't have any other tricks or anything, or no trims or anything like that for me to miss. And flying with Hall sensor gimbals is always better. So I'm out here to test this little guy out. It's still windy out here, but we got a lot more space. And with my Boxer, I feel more confident in flying it in acro. So let's get it in the air. Now. So let's see. We're gonna start the timer. And let's take off with it. See that? It starts off in high alpha, pitching up. I didn't even get a chance to really take off with it because it didn't have enough go. Didn't have enough get up and go to have it flatten out and get into some real flight. And I do have a secondary battery in here as well, so the integrity of this battery might not be the same. We're gonna take off right here. Give us a little advantage of this hill. I tried to make it to the hill but couldn't make it. Let's see if it'll straighten out for me. Okay. It's flattened out now. We're in some regular flight. Man, the sun's killing me. So let's try acro. We're in acro. Came out of acro because it was going up in the air. Try to bring it back around. We're in acro again. Did a roll. Yeah, there's a lot of elevator when I put it in acro, so it's going to have to be trimmed out or something. But we are in acro. Check it out. Still in acro. It flies nice in acro. I just have to trim the elevator out, I'm guessing. Yeah, because this elevator isn't giving up. I came out of acro just now so I can get some flat flight going on. Man, and that sun is killing me. One thing I can say, in acro mode, you don't get those fast flips fast rolls. It rolls really fast when you have it connected to the stock transmitter, and you hit that stunt button. This thing rolls really fast. But I can't get it to roll that fast in acro mode. This is full stick. It's not bad, I guess, but it's not as fast, nearly as fast as it does with the stock transmitter. So let's see if we can do a loop. It's the final mission. Let's go up high, go down, loop. That was the best we can do, and it went down. So I think that stock battery might be a little more powerful than this battery here, and so you get more thrust from it. With the stock pack, I have a second-hand pack in there. Let me show you guys so you'll see. So I have that lipo pack right there in there. It comes with a black labeled pack, and so this pack might be a little weaker. We're not going to end both of the videos of this on a crash landing, so let's take off one more time. It's doing that high alpha stuff again. Okay, we're back into some normal flight, and this really picked up, talking about the wind. So we're going to try to come in and land it. See how it glides. Glides really nice. I like this little plane. I was thinking I was going to want to send it back, but I don't think that's what's going to happen now, y'all. Check it out. That's almost zero throttle. Not enough power with this little battery here to do a high alpha, but this is a really nice flyer, I gotta say. And I love the fact that it can be flown with a Boxer, a 4-in-1 transmitter, multi-protocol. This little plane has just gotten more recognition of awesome. The Sky Viper Vector. I have links in description for Amazon for you guys to check this out. Be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like the content, so you'll be notified when I release more content. Thanks for watching.